All right. The masa has set for, I don't know, probably more than an hour. We stopped and had lunch and watched a show and, you know, did the things you do when you get the day off. So I think everybody has their own way of folding these, so we're just going to record each other doing it. So the first one we're going to see is Chris, who happens to be the best tamale maker in the household, even though she was born into it. I don't know about that. I guess we were all born into it. She married into it. So we have the hojas getting soft in water, so they're soaking in water. And so Chris got a nice big hoja and got some masa and is just spreading the masa on the hoja. And then here's our chili. She grabs the chili, puts it in there. And the chili's cold. Yeah, the chili's cold because you like it to be jelly. And ours is very gelled.